Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a fashion illustration of this beautiful sequin gown. The first step is to color the base of the gown. I'm using a nice sea green shade for this, as it will complement the sequins nicely. Now that we have our base color, we can start adding some shades. I'm using a darker green color to add some depth, giving it that 3D effect. Adding shades helps to give the dress a more realistic feel. It's important to pay attention to the folds and creases in the fabric, as they will affect how light falls on your drawing. Now, let's move on to rendering the skin. I'm using brown and light peach color for this, and I'm adding it in areas where the skin would be visible, such as the arms and legs. Skin rendering is an essential part of fashion illustration. It can be tricky, but with practice, you can create a beautiful and realistic depiction of the model's skin. Finally, it's time to add the sequins. I'm using a silver, golden and green metallic pens for this, and I'm adding it in a random pattern. Sequins can be challenging, but they add a touch of glamour and sparkle that every fashion illustration needs. And there you have it, a stunning green sequin gown that's ready to hit the runway. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion illustration tutorials.